Hey, Troy here, and in this video I'm going to do a simple commissions Mailbot review, but most importantly I'm going to talk about my own personal stats. If you have a home business, you're into network marketing, affiliate marketing, direct selling, and you want a system that will automatically promote multiple opportunities that you're currently involved in and pay you unlimited $100 instantly while promoting your offers, definitely pay attention to this video. And if what I share with you makes sense, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'm also going to show you how you will be able to get a 50% discount on the yearly $100 admin fee. So let's dig right in. This AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. You can automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. So when you get access to this page, very important, I want you to watch this quick 3-minute video overview. And then as you scroll down the page, you're going to see all of the functions and all of the things that this new AI software can do for you. And you're going to come over here and click this button. Click here to email Mailbot. And it's highly intuitive. So what's going to happen is when you click that button and you send my Mailbot an email, all you're going to need to do is basically click the button, send the email, and in about 45 seconds to 50 seconds, check your email inbox because it's going to tell you more about the program. You're going to be able to interact with it. You can ask it questions and know that it's going to respond. And 95% of the time, it will. Now, that other 5%, if Mailbot does not have an answer to your question, my Mailbot is going to send me an email letting me know, hey, John Smith had a question. I wasn't confidently able to answer it. And it will give me the ability to answer that email. But like I said, 95% of the time, it's going to do it for you. So when you decide, hey, you know what, I want to join, make sure before you hit that join button, and this is very important, before you hit the button to join, you're going to see a pop-up that's going to say intent to join, and then it's going to say $50 and 48 hours, right? So that's how you're going to claim the $50 discount that the system gives you. And once you click that intent to join, then you can go ahead and you're going to be able to actually join, and the discount is going to be able to apply to you. But let me share with you my own stats so that you could really see how this works. So I'm going to highlight this so that you could see. I don't know when it is that you're watching this video, but today is 10/13/25, and in a short amount of time, check out these stats. So I have a total of 113 leads. I have a total of 23 people that are actually ready to join. They want to join. Total signups 63. Now these are not all paid members. Conversion rate, look at this, 55.75%. And down here, total replies sent, look at this, 454. So imagine this for a second. You're getting emails and the Mailbot is actually responding to those emails. So when your leads have questions and they send your Mailbot the questions, the Mailbot is actually answering them. Total conversations, look at this, 402. Imagine responding to your emails on your own efforts and you got 402 responses that you've got to answer for. That's very, very time consuming. And then total earnings, again, in a short period of time, $2,250. Now, that's just earnings from simple commissions. This does not include the 3 opportunities that I currently promote. I've made a few $1,000s from using Mailbot to promote those offers, and it redirects your leads to look at your opportunities. That's how this works. So if you are watching this video as a result of going on my YouTube channel, just make sure that you actually go to the description below this video so that you can demo the Mailbot. And let me share with you one other thing really quickly. Now, what if you just made an extra $100, again, instant payments? What if you just did that every single day? In a month, you would have an additional $3,000 a month income. And this was October 11th, right? $100 paid directly to me from my Mailbot. And this was October 12th, right? So October 11th, October 12th, another $100. You can do this every single day. So go ahead. If you're watching this on YouTube, go to the description right now. Get your free demo right now. And remember, this is time sensitive. So you're going to be able to get $50 off your admin fee. But again, before you click that join button, look for the intent to join, click that, and it's automatically going to give you $50 off. Look, if you got some value from this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Once again, it's Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.